Exercise 4.2 question number 3. What did they say? X minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube divided by x minus y minus z, z minus x. So what you will write? You will write x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube divided by what? X minus y minus z and z minus x. Now what you will do? You will assume a value for this. You will write let a equal to x minus y, b equal to y minus z and c equal to z minus x. After that you find out a plus b plus c. If you find out a plus b plus c, what you will get? X minus y minus z plus z minus x. Plus x minus x cancel, minus y plus y cancel, minus z plus z cancel, you got 0. And we all know if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then you will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This already we got in general maths. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So your a is how much? X minus y. So x minus y whole cube. Your b is your y minus z and your c is your z minus x. Equal to how much? 3abc. So you will get answer 3 x minus y minus z, z minus x. Okay. Now so what you got? X minus y whole cube, y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. Value is how much? 3 x minus y minus z, z minus x. So in place of this you can write here 3 x minus y minus z, z minus x. And the denominator how much you got? X minus y minus z, z minus x. So x minus y cancel, y minus z cancel, z minus x cancel. You got answer 3. Okay, this is your answer. So what we have done? This complete expression you have to divide by this. This is taken as a, y minus z is taken as b, z minus x is taken as c. After that we have found a plus b plus c. When you have found a plus b plus c, your answer is how much? 0. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to how much? 3abc. Your a is how much? Input the value of a. A is your x minus y, so x minus y whole cube. B is your y minus z whole cube plus c is your z minus x whole cube equal to 3abc. So 3, your a is x minus y, b is y minus z, c is z minus x. Put this value here, you will get answer 3. Copy it. Roman 3, what did they say? X square into 3z minus 2y plus 4y square into x plus 3z plus 9z square x minus 2y minus 12xyz divided by this. So first what you will do, you see this is based on formula number 5. Formula number 5, what did they say? A square b plus c plus b square c plus a plus c square a plus b plus 2abc equal to b plus c plus a plus b. Now you have to find out which one you will take as a and which one you will take as b. Let me take, you see, if you take this as a, x as a, if you do square, what you will get? X square. Let, क्या करोगे? Let a equal to x, b equal to minus 2y and c equal to 3z. Okay. Now put this value here. Now let me put this complete expression. X square 3z minus 2y plus 4y square x plus 3z plus 9 z square x minus 2y minus 12xyz. Now let me put the value which I have taken. Your x is your a, that is x square, so it will be a square. Your 3z is c, so it is c, minus 2y is b, a square b plus c. Okay, 4y square means b square. Your x is your a and this is your c. 9z square means c square. Your x is your a and minus 2y is your b. A square b plus c, b square c plus a, c square a plus b plus 2abc, 2a b c. Now put the value of a. Your a is how much? X. B is your minus 2y and c is your 3z. You will get minus 12xyz. You will get minus 12xyz. So what is the formula for this? इसका formula क्या है? A plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Your question is given in x, so your final answer will be also in x. Now you put the value of your a. Your a is how much? X. B is your twice y, b minus twice y, c is your 3z, c 3z, and your a is x. So this is the value. Now this complete I have to divide by what? X minus 2y, 3z minus 2y, and 3z plus x. Therefore, now put the value, because this complete expression you have to divide by this. So now put the value, x minus 2y minus 2z, 2y plus 3z, and here it is 3z plus x, divided by what? X minus 2y, 3z minus 2y, and here it is 3z plus x. So cancel. It is minus 2y plus 3z and 3z minus 2, both are same only. So answer will be 1. Copy this sum. So 3 का रोमन फॉर्म में क्या दिया हुआ है देखो. What it is given? x cube plus y cube plus 1 minus 3xy divided by x plus y plus 1. So here direct formula you can assume it, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we write this, x cube plus y cube plus 1 minus 3xy divided by x plus y plus 1. In the numerator what formula will come? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is what? A plus b plus c, then the other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc, your c is your 1, and minus ca, and then the denominator it is x plus y plus 1. So these two will cancel. Your ultimate answer is x square plus y square plus 1 minus xy minus y minus x. So this is your answer. Copy it. अब देखो 3 का 5, it is given what? b plus c whole square twice a plus b plus c, twice a b plus c plus c plus a whole square, a plus 2b plus c, a plus 2b plus c, a plus b whole square equal to a plus b plus 2c plus 3 b plus c plus a plus b divided by what? A plus b plus c. Now let me write this part. Let me find out the value of the numerator separately. Twice a plus b plus c solution plus c plus a whole square, a plus 2b plus c plus a plus b whole square, b plus 2c, and after that 3 b plus c, c plus a plus b. If you see the pattern, it is based on formula number 8. You see here it is 3. So it is 3 A, B, C. So one of them is your A, one of them is your B, and one of them is your C. So let me assign a variable. Let x equal to A plus B, y equal to B plus C, z equal to C plus A. Okay. From 3ABC, B plus C is considered as y, C plus A is considered as z, and A plus B is considered as A plus B is considered as x. Now put the value. B plus C whole square means y square. Okay. So let me do further one more thing. Let me, here they have done plus, so let me do plus. If I do x plus y, what will be my answer? A plus 2B plus C. Okay. If I do y plus z, what answer I will get? A plus B plus 2C. This it is matching with this last one. If I do z plus x, what I will get? A plus twice A plus B plus C. Now put the value. B plus C whole square means y square. Twice A plus B plus C is how much? Z plus x. So we have given the value for this. C plus A means z square. A plus 2B plus C means x plus y. Now this A plus B means x. A plus B plus 2C is y plus z. And after that, what is there? 3. Your B plus C is your y. C plus your z. This is x. So this is as it is like formula number 8. So formula number 8, what did they say? A square B plus C plus B square C plus A plus C square A plus B plus 3ABC equal to A plus B plus C, AB plus BC plus CA. So it will be A plus B plus C. So x plus y plus z. After that you will get AB xy yz plus zx. Okay. Now put the value. Now see here another thing you do. Find out x plus y plus z. So if you find out x plus y plus z, what will be your answer? A plus A, it is twice A. It will be twice B. It will be twice C. So x plus y plus z value will be how much? Twice A plus twice B plus twice C. Okay. Your xy will be how much? Your xy will be A plus B into B plus C. Because your A is, x is your A plus B and y is your B plus C. Your yz will be B plus C into C plus A. Okay. And your zx will be C plus A into A plus B. Copy it. So your x is your twice A plus twice B plus twice C, x plus y plus z. Xy means A plus B into B plus C. Yz means B plus C into C plus A. And zx means C plus A into A plus B. Now this part if you divide it by what? A plus B plus C. So write this completely. Twice A. You can take 2 common here. If you take 2 common, A plus B plus, take 2 common, A plus B plus C. Left part is what? A plus B, B plus C, then B plus C, C plus A, and the left is C plus A into A plus B. Divided by how much? Divided by A plus B plus C. So these two will cancel. So left is what? This. Now multiply A into B, AB, AC, B square plus BC. Now multiply these two. BC, AB plus C square plus AC. Okay, now multiply these two. AC plus BC plus A square plus A. So put together all the square term, A square plus B square plus C square. Here also AB, here also AB, here also AB. So thrice AB. Same way you will get thrice BC, 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 BC. Thrice BC. Then thrice AC, 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 AC. Thrice AC. So this is your final answer. So first you assign a variable for the numerator, find the value and then divide it. Okay, copy this sum. अब देखो 3 का 6 में क्या बोला गया, what did they say? A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus A square B plus C plus B square C plus A plus C square A plus B divided by A square plus B square plus C square. So this numerator you can make a combination of two formulas. We know a formula for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Another formula we know for this one, A square B plus C plus B square C plus A C square A plus B plus 3ABC. But here minus 3ABC and here plus 3ABC is missing. So what we will do the next step, let me find out the value for the numerator first. Later we will divide. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Here I am subtracting minus 3ABC. Okay. Plus in the other part I will add up 3ABC. C square A plus B plus 3ABC. Why it is done? To get a formula. So here it is minus 3ABC, here it is plus 3ABC. For this we know a formula. The formula is A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. For this part also we know a formula. The formula is A plus B plus C, AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so this is the formula for the first part and this is the formula for the second part. Here you got two terms, this into this, so you can take common A plus B plus C, and the bracket what you can write, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, and from here what will come, AB plus BC plus CA minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. So what you got the value for the numerator, A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square. Now this complete expression if you divide by what, A square plus B square plus C square. Now so this is your numerator, A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square. If you divide it by what, A square plus B square plus C square. So you can cancel it. What is the final answer? A plus B plus C. So copy this sum. So here you got A plus B plus C.